When a road is this narrow and excavations have got to be completed for utility infrastructure to be installed, we expect a road closure to be required. This one's a little bit more complicated in that it's a one-way street as well, so there's absolutely no way that we can dig in here and maintain a safe distance for vehicles to pass. So a road closure will be required. When a road closure is required, the council have up to 12 weeks to grant the permit. The reason for that is you'll see behind me there are properties, houses, shops. They have to write out to all of the residents, all of the tenants of the shops, all of the shop owners, etc., and tell them that this road's going to be closed for a period of time. That 12-week time period needs to be built into your programme. There's nothing that you can do about that. It's the council who make the decision on when you can and when you can't work. In addition to notifying local residents that a piece of work is going to be taking place under a road closure, the emergency services and the bus companies which may pass down this area need to be notified as well. So again, there isn't much wriggle room within that 12-week period.